Let me show you how to warp a page in Photoshop. Start by drawing a rectangle shape. Size doesn't matter for now as we're going to change it later anyway. Remove the fill and stroke from the shape, then convert it to a smart object. Select the shape layer and press Ctrl+T to transform. Now you can rotate and rescale the shape. To distort the shape, move its vertices while holding Ctrl key. Next, right-click and choose Warp. Move the handles until it fits to the page. Double-click on the layer thumbnail to activate the Smart Object layer. Then press Ctrl+A to select the whole layer. Copy the selection, then paste it in the Smart Object layer. Next, press Ctrl+T to rescale the page. Now go back to the main document, and from Blending Mode menu, choose Multiply option. So that is how to quickly warp a page in Photoshop.